Here's Sandcrawler Zero with my own custom Lego Star Wars set. Here he is. First I show you this thing. Here is some parts. No, a speeder bike. And you can. Here is a Battle by Hot laser cannon. You see. Okay, I'll show you the best part of the set. You turn this thing to this side. I take some light. The door go open. If you can see, yeah. Seems cool. The top of the thing can go up, and this wall can fold out. Right. I put Commander Fox and the Clone Trooper in 2 seats, and yeah. Here's a computer and the table. Here you can put your weapons, and here are my own custom laser gun from the Clone Wars. Yeah, it's cool, and this is the end of this review, and thank you for watching.